At Doors Plus, we have internal door options to suit any space, taste and budget. Whether your decor is classic and traditional or chic and contemporary, you can choose the material design and finish that works for your home. We have timber doors in a wide range of styles, from classic panelled doors to Hampton-style shaker doors with clean lines and timeless designs. Our timber doors can be stained to bring out the wood grain or painted to complement your decor. Our lightweight hollow core ranges are a versatile and economical option for all round the home, while semi-solid composite doors are excellent for sound insulation. Internal doors can be hinged or sliding single or double doors, or you might choose bifold doors where space is limited. We also offer our innovative Zone Living collection of folding, sliding and stacking doors that can be used to zone off whole living spaces. For privacy and insulation, solid panel doors can be installed, or you can choose from our wide variety of glazed designs and French doors to uplift your living areas with more natural light. Whether you want your internal doors to blend seamlessly into your design scheme or to stand out like our barn doors as a feature, you will find what you're looking for in the Doors Plus collection. From practical pantry and laundry doors to stunning feature bedroom doors. Doors that fold, doors that slide, or wall-to-wall room dividers. Visit your nearest Doors Plus showroom today to discover internal doors and book your free measure and quote.